Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I want to do a short review on the Stanley Charger 1 amp automatic battery charger and maintainer. I have this for about 3 months and I want to do a short review. I actually bought this for my lawnmower to keep the battery charged, and I want to see how it works on my 2004 Infiniti G35 battery. This battery right here, because it's been laying for so long, it went dead on me. I'm going to show you through a multimeter how much voltage it has. But for now, I want to show you what's inside the Stanley 12 volt battery charger. Now, I bought this in Walmart for 15 bucks. And this is what it has inside. I'm going to read what it has so you can see it. Then I'm going to show you. It says they have a tough, durable housing. That's this right here. I'll show you. So this is the housing here. Feels pretty light. It also has charging and fully charged. That's right here. You see these indicators here? The first one is when it's charging. Then the middle one is when it's charged. And then the last one, just in case if you put the connectors in the wrong spot, it will give you a warning sign. So that's what we have there. Also have the battery clamps. Those are these right here. There goes the battery clamps. They feel okay. For small, feels good. Also it has the 120 volt AC plug. That is this one right here. This is where you plug it at in your socket. You also have the quick connector adapters that are these right here. These are the quick connect adapters here. And it also has the battery ring terminal. And that's this right here. For 15 bucks, I couldn't let it pass by because I've seen some other ones that I was like 40, 50 bucks. The only downfall about this one is when you connect it to the battery, it doesn't tell you how much your battery has. It only gives you color that it's charging or it's fully charged. So it would not tell you how much the battery has. So this is what we have in there. And we're going to put this into use. I'm not going to be using these ring connects here. I'm going to be using the terminals. And all we're going to do is connect it from there. And we're going to connect it to the housing. Right in there. Nice and tight too. That feels pretty good. So now we're gonna plug this to the wall. Okay, I'm gonna plug it to the wall. But for now I want to show you how much this battery has, because I want to see if the Stanley Charger amp really works. So we have here, I have a multimeter, and all I'm going to be doing, I'll do this here just to zero it out. Let me see if you can see that. Hopefully you can see that there. And all I'm going to do is put positive with positive and negative with negative. And as you can see, it says that the battery is 2.84. So the battery been here for a while, so it's dead. So I'm gonna see if this charger, this Stanley right here, battery maintainer, is gonna charge it for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go plug it in, and I'll be right back. So the plug is pretty long. I like it, even with the quick connect, even make it longer. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the negative with the negative. I'm going to connect the negative first. And then I'm going to connect the positive. So now it's connected, and let's see. Okay, the yellow light is blinking, so it's charging. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait till it charges, and then I'll be right back. I want to see if this thing really worth for 15 bucks. I'm back 10 hours later, and the Stanley is still in yellow. 10 hours later, and it's still, the battery is not charged. And I'm gonna show you right here. As you can see, the yellow indicator is still blinking. So we're gonna see how much charge it picked in 10 hours. I'm gonna use the multimeter again. I believe when we first checked the battery, it was like 2.8. So it been here 10 hours. So hopefully, at least it picked up some charge. So let's remove the terminals. And let's put the multimeter. And let's see how much voltage did it pick. Okay, so here we go. So it actually, if it was 2.8 that I remember, it actually went down to 2.75. So this Stanley did not charge the battery in 10 hours. So now, my question is this. If I remove the battery and try the Stanley with the battery out the car, would it work? The manual says right here, it says, let me see. Okay, it says it right here. Preparing to charge. Number 2, remove battery completely from boat, airplane, or any confined area before charging. It does not mention a car. So, number 3, if it's necessary to remove battery from vehicle to charge or to clean terminal, always remove ground terminal from battery first. Make sure all accessories in the vehicle are off, but it's not telling me to charge it out of the car. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this Stanley ChargeiT amp automatic battery charger and maintainer. I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the battery from the vehicle, and I'm going to try to charge it again. So I'll be back. I want to show you something very interesting. Once I took up the battery out the car and I connected them to the Stanley battery charger, while the battery was in the car, the yellow was blinking. Now that it's out the car, the yellow is not blinking. So we're going to see what happened with the battery out the car if this Stanley charges it. So as soon as, let's give it about 4 hours or 5 hours, I'll be back and I'll let you know if this Stanley really worked. I came down just to check on the battery. I wanted to see how the battery is doing. This is before 2 hours and it's still in yellow. And what I did was I checked the battery with the multimeter, and in 2 hours it went up from 2.7 all the way to 12.6. I don't know why this is not in green, but I just want to show you what this little Stanley charger and maintainer did in 2 hours. It skyrocketed all the way to 12.6. Goes the meter. Can you see that right there? Oh, I should turn it on first. Look at that. It skyrocketed to 12.59 in 2 hours. This is what this little thing did for 15 bucks. It skyrocketed right away. Also, what I want to show you is with the warning indicator, this one right here, if you connect them wrong, the red light should turn on. So what we're going to do is, let me see if I can put this here that you can see it good. Okay, can you see that? Yeah? Okay, let's see. Yep, you can see the yellow. So now when I connect them wrong, you're going to see that red warning light letting you know that you connect them wrong. Do not try this, please. I'm just doing it for illustration purpose. Okay? So, we're going to connect them backwards. And let's see what happens. And you notice the red light came on, letting you know that you just had connected the terminals the wrong way. I'm going to keep it charging until it turns green, but I believe the Stanley CHARGeit 1 amp automatic battery charger maintainer was a good buy for 15 bucks because of what he did in 2 hours with the battery out of the car. Inside the battery did not do too well, but out the car did pretty good. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.